Hello. So this is the smart lock that is installed in one of our entry doors at home, and I'll just explain how it works. Right. So this is the azLock app. I open. If you can see the app, it has got the most used smart lock list at the bottom, so that I don't have to go through Bluetooth scanning or internet stuff. I am standing right here. So this door is this one, MV door. So it asks for access to Bluetooth, and if you notice, you can see it locked, and you can see the battery is now 51%. I have installed this like more than 3 months back, and it's a very simple lock on lock mechanism that you will see now. See, it's open now, right? You can see closely, right? So this is how it works. Once again, right? So this status of the batteries tell me that in some more time it will go to almost 20% when I start getting the alarms or alerts to change the battery, and once I do that, it will again show me 100% power. Thank you very much, and you can do a exit from the app. There you go. Thank you.